Greetings all. Today we're going to see how we can install the contract management application for FreshDesk into your instance. You can directly go ahead to the marketplace gallery and search for contract management and click the install button. Before installing the application, go ahead to the admin section. Under support operation, you can find the customer fields. Navigate into it and switch to the companies tab and add the contractors field, just a single line text field with the exact same words and case sensitive and all, which will be mentioned in the instructions, and another field name threshold. After configuring the fields, hit the save button and switch back to the marketplace gallery. And here you have to install the application. Here you have to provide the subdomain and your API key. API key can be found by clicking your profile settings, opening that in a new tab, and here you can find your API key. Just copy that and paste in the API field. Hit the next button. After successful validation, the application will show you the contract configuration page where you can select companies like to which you have to assign a particular period of contract. Let me select an example and give an example contract hours and a threshold hours. Hit the save button to save the contracts and hit the install button. After installing the application, you can go ahead into the tickets which for that particular company, and as you can see, there is 20 minutes contracts that which we have configured in the settings page right now, and you can enter the number of hours that you spend for the particular yeah, there you go. You can add and delete the contract time, and the contract hours will be updated automatically. Thanks for watching. If you still have any doubts, just write to spritelysupport@freshworks.com and we'll be happy to help you out there. Thank you. Bye bye.